Hello. I have done my summer practice in Koç Sistem Teknokent. It was my first summer practice and it was a 6-week internship. During this time, I've done a project using database and basic web design. In the company, there were 7 interns in total during my summer practice, but I was the only intern in the database and software part of the company. The other interns were whether in the network or sales departments. Therefore, I have done the project on my own. Since I had not taken any database course yet, in the first 2 weeks of my summer practice, I had watched some tutorials about database and basic web design to learn enough for doing my project. And my project was a hospital management system. This system is capable of recording departments, doctors and patients of a hospital and match the patients with a doctor from the necessary department. Now let me talk a little bit about my project's details. In my project, I have used Microsoft Visual Studio for the web part of my project and SQL Server Management Studio for the database part of my project. During my practice, I have learned ASP.NET, C#, HTML, CSS, and SQL programming languages. As I said before, my project is a hospital management system. In my project, I have 4 screens in total. The first screen is department recording screen, on which I can record new departments with their name and some explanation. The second screen is doctor recording screen. On this screen, I can record new doctors into my system with their name, surname, and their departments. And I can choose their departments from an updated drop-down list among the current departments on my database. And the third screen is patient recording screen. On the screen, I can record new patients with their name and surname. And my last and the fourth screen is for assigning patients with doctors and departments. On the screen, firstly, I choose a patient, and then I choose a department which that patient wants to be treated in. Then my drop-down list of the doctors are available according to our choice of the department. And then I can choose any doctor for the patient from that department. This is the general overview of my project. Lastly, the best part of my project, I think, is that it can be improved very easily. For example, if I want to develop my project a little bit more, and let's say I want to get more data about the patients or the doctors, such as the identity number or a phone number, all I have to do is to add a new column to my relevant table, and that's all. As a result, if I want to make my project more extensive and more realistic, the new parts will only mean a new column or a new text box or a new drop-down list, but that's all. That's why this project is very easy to improve. That's all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.